Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I want to show you how to get this beautiful wallpaper from the AI generative that actually creates from the Samsung AI. We're gonna pinch down here, select wallpaper and change wallpaper. There's a new option here, which is creative. Here you can see we have a lot more options that it is able to create through the AI. Here is already ones that I have tried, and here are all the options. And each of these new options, you have more options inside it to choose from. Let me show you the imaginary. Surreal lamp made of flowers and shades of pink and purple, and each one of those you can choose from. So let's try a tower made out of tool, and it's gonna be coral and thin. Give it a few seconds and creates a few options for you to choose from. And you can see we have more options. Painting, one of the ones that I really enjoy. You can create a lot of options. Canyon, mountain, beach, cave, anything. Let's try vast ocean, and we can create with something else. This is a little too much. Flying cars. And here is this style. I really enjoyed this one. Let's create a 19th century realist. Let's see what it comes up. There we go. We have our flying cars. Look at that. And then to simply set to your home screen or even the lock screen as well, click and select, and then done. And then you have yourself a very exclusive wallpaper created by AI from Samsung 6.1 OneUI. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.